Good afternoon, everyone, and Happy New Year. Ella is with me. You might have just heard her sneeze. She's come to help me with my videos this morning. Can't believe it's a new year. Last year went so quickly, but just wanted to give you a heads up on the memberships that I have on YouTube. So I'm just going to briefly go through the two memberships. So this is the project we're going to be doing. For the silk membership, that includes everything. That includes all the workshops. I'm going to be doing a workshop a month, and it's going to alternate between a sort of bigger one like this and a smaller one. But there's also going to be lots of extra content. I do also have the linen membership level, which gives you some of the content, but it doesn't give you the videos and the live chats and so on. So I just wanted to flag up this month's project is going to be working on colour, as we did in our workshop last year, but it's going to be taking that a bit further with colour combining, and also, you know, making a picture and sort of building up a project. So this is a little project that I did a while ago, and I thought it might make the nice workshop for January. So this will be the January workshop, but it's only available to YouTube members. Now that isn't subscribers. It's not the same thing. Obviously a membership is something that you purchase. So it's something where I'm going to give you lots of extra content. We'll even be able to get together chats and live sort of streaming just for you. It also means that you get everything early. So you get it at least an hour early, if not more than that. So any new videos, anything like that that comes out. Plus I'll be doing lots of behind the scenes stuff as well. So this is the membership. So I will be sharing this on the Facebook groups, so you can click on join, or you can just go, if you're already on my YouTube channel now, there is a button that says join, and that is for the membership. So it's the silk one you want if you want to get all the workshops and all the content, but there is also linen, which gives you some of the behind the scenes bits and bobs, but it doesn't include the workshops. So we're going to be doing this one, and I'm going to be releasing it this weekend. So just a little heads up for you. And I hope you had a very happy new year, a very nice Christmas if you were celebrating. And I will see you again soon. Bye.